Hello today everyone. Have you ever had a couple of polka dot outfits and you just didn't have any earrings to match them? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your own earrings to match your polka dot outfits. I don't see many polka dot earrings in stores today. So today we're going to make some. And while we're making earrings, we might as well go ahead and show you how to do a polka dot manicure as well to go with your polka dot outfit and your polka dot earring. And you can also do this on your toes. So we're going to get started. Today we're going to be using black fingernail polish. This is Wet n Wild. I really like this one, but it wasn't a lot in the bottle, so I kind of mixed it with this white Kiss Gel nail polish. The Setch V is going to be for the white coat, the top coat for the manicure, and this Arisa Mega Growth treatment. I like the way it dries when I just put it on my natural nails. During the week when I don't do polish, I only really polish when I'm going out somewhere. But during the week, I just put this on like 3 times a week just to keep some type of length on my nails. They grow so long and they always break, but they always keep like at least some little length on them. But we're using Q-tips. I went ahead and took the cotton off the Q-tip because I want to use this end, one for the jewelry and one for my nails. Took the cotton off. And we got earrings. I want to try to do a bracelet too. So I'll get started. So basically for all these earrings, because they're already black and I don't have to paint them black, I'm just going to go ahead and pour some white gel nail onto my foil, and then I'm going to dip it and just paint them all. I kept them on the little tag that it came on because it kind of like lifts it up off the plate, and it's going to be easy for me after it dries to turn it over so that it can dry. So I'll start that. When I first started this, I didn't really know what kind of design I'm going to do. I was going to do what I find myself just following the pattern. So that's what I'll do. And I'll be right back. Can you see that? Yeah, okay, hold on. The pattern of the heart. And I hope I don't mess it up. Maybe I should just stop at that. But I might do another layer. But let me see what I'm going to do and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what we did with the first one. I just went ahead on and just put polka dots everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and put polka dots on all of them, and then I'll come back and show you how I'm going to try to do the bracelet. So I'll put all the polka dots on, and let it dry for about an hour or so, then flip it over and do the back. So I did all of the shape, all of the earrings. Those are the circles, the hearts, and the squares. And after using this particular gel nail polish and the whatever it is already on the earrings, it looks like I don't even need to do a top coat. I'm not going to even do a top coat because that's kind of like a woody look. But the reason why I thought I was going to do a top coat is because a couple of years ago, I'd say about 3 years ago, I made these. And this was metal. It was kind of like a light beige. Or was this light blue? But this one needed a top coat. And the reason why I decided to make more is because I have so many, well, not so many, like 4 different polka dot outfits. And I lost this earring. It's somewhere around here, but I cannot find it. So, and then I wanted to share with you so that you can make them. Now I'm going to attempt, I never tried to do a bracelet at all before, but I'm going to do the bracelet. I'm going to leave it just like this and just dot it. Let all of this dry. And I think I want to do the other side too. So let me start showing you how I'm going to do the bracelet. So this has gotten kind of sticky and kind of, you know, drying up. So I'm going to actually use another piece, a fresh piece, pour on some new polish. And use the opposite end. Now this bracelet, I might mess it up a little bit. I'm going to try not to. I'm a perfectionist, so I try to do everything perfect. I try to get it right the first time. I don't always get it right the first time, but a lot of times I do. But since it's not flat, you know, I don't know what it's going to do. If it's going to be rolling around, I think I'm going to use I guess I'm going to use it. Let me wipe it off. So. I'm going to use the end. I just don't want all that polish on my fingers, like it's getting on there. So we have a fresh end, a fresh tip. Maybe I should put it here so that I can use it better. Oh goodness, let's see. Trying to make sure no cotton is on that end once I start doing my little dots. I'm kind of scared to even start this one, but let me start somewhere. Okay. Maybe I'll start just by doing that, and then maybe I can get a feel of where else to put these little dots. Okay, so we got that so far, so let me start just making some dots. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead on and finish dotting. I guess any spot you see, you can dot. And you let it dry and then turn it over. So let me see how many dots I can get in here, and I'll be back. So this is the bracelet, and look at all the dots that I got in. Trying to see if you can see that every angle. I'll let this dry, flip it over, flip them all over, and put dots on the back. And we'll have our polka dot jewelry to match all our polka dot outfits. How cool is that? Okay, now I'm going to do a quick manicure to match that. I'm only going to do one hand just to show you how you can really, really look good when you wear your polka dots. You can go beyond just the outfit. I'm going to actually polish my nails black. And I'll finish that and come back. And we're using the same method that we used on the earrings, but we want to start with a fresh new piece of foil and a fresh new Q-tip that's been scraped off or pulled off. The cotton been removed. So you can do them like I did the earrings, just polka dots all over, or you can try to make a design. I'm going to try to do something a little different just to show you what you can do. Let me see, let's start with the pinky. I think I want to just go straight down the line in the middle. Put a few dots. And the pointer finger, I think I want to just go across the top like a French polka dot. Or I might just end up putting dots all over. But I made them one of them too wide, so I can't do it like that. I have to do it like this one ended up being like this. I need to put a little dot over there. Just a tiny little dot. Okay, there we go. Maybe I can try to do my ring finger the way I was trying to do that pointer finger. Just kind of like putting a few dots across the edge. See, okay, I have 3 dots there. And maybe this one, let's see what I could do with this one. Oh, that's a big dot. So they all have to be dotted. So that's just like a little domino. We did the 5 domino on that one. So you can get creative with it. And this one, let's see what we're going to do with the thumb. Go. I messed that one up. Well, you see what I was going for the thumb. I was just trying to go straight across the center from at an angle. So I think I'm going to just fill this one on in. Just going that same direction. So there we go. And gonna let this dry and put a quick top coat on. So I hope it's dry enough for the top coat. Yeah, it is. And you have to put that top coat on. That's gonna make it really shine and make your manicure last for a little while. I'm actually running out of this top coat. I need to get a refill. So there we go. And the next time, I wanted to hurry up and throw in this quick manicure before I forgot about it. But the next time I come back, I'm going to actually show you the end result of the jewelry. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, flip it over, paint it. And when I come back, I'll be able to touch it and show you both sides. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Before I show you that, I just want to do my left hand for people who say, okay, well, I saw she did the right hand, but the left hand might not be so easy. So I went ahead and polished my left hand. I'm sorry, my right hand with my left hand. They was like, well, she did the left hand because it's easy to do it with the right hand if you're right-handed. But I can do my left hand as well. You may have to go, and you can too, you may have to go slower. But you can do it. I actually forced myself since 6th grade to use my left hand. I had a friend that was left-handed, and she broke her arm, and she had to be forced to write right-handed. So I was like, well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and force myself to be able to write and use my left hand just in case something ever happened to my right. But yeah, I mess up sometimes, so let me see if I could try to do it the same real quick. I'm not going to do the top coat. I'm just going to show you this so you'll see that I'm doing my left hand as well. That when you do the manicure, you can have a complete manicure. Oh, come on, Polish, do you want to get on? You can have a complete manicure. So that's the pinky. Let me see, what did I do to this one? I might mess up now. So we got this one, and then we did like a 5 domino thingy. I can't make that one a little bigger. Let's see, let's fix this one. Come on already. My fingernail polish is drying. So you get the idea. And let's see, this one, the last 2, I think we just put dots pretty much anywhere. I just don't want the videos to be so long, so you can do it on both of your fingers, on both of your hands. you can do polka dots. And some of them you can even leave blank. You can skip. You can like decorate this one, skip that one, decorate this one. I like to do that sometimes as well. But I did want to show you with my left hand. So the next time I come back, I'll be touching and showing you these this jewelry here. So we have final product. Front and back. It's all nice and dry. Front and back. Front and back. I'm going to go and hold it up against the outfits. And this is the bracelet. I guess because of the way it was turned, some spots I missed, but it still turned out nice. Okay guys, here are the earrings. I just have them kind of just hanging up on this hanger against the outfits. And here's the bracelet and the manicure. So there you go. If you want to make some jewelry, let me see, let me switch this hand. Okay, you probably can see the manicure better, yeah, with this hand. So if you would like to make some jewelry, earrings and bracelets and do a manicure to match your polka dot outfits, then you can follow my method. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.